I'll just unlock the cage. Hey, why don't you go?
For this next thing, I have to go out into the audience and find some hapless victim volunteers. Let's look around, looking around. You, sir, come with me. And you, ma'am, come with me. This will be really easy.
Yeah, how about a hand for these two guys?
Your step. And what is your name, ma'am? Barbara. And you are, sir? Let's hear it for John and Barbara for coming to the stage. Thank you so much. Barbara, if you would stand right here. Stay right here. And John, if you would follow me over to the other side of the stage. And I'm going to hand this microphone to you. And how this is going to work is each one of you will be in charge of one of their sound effects. So you, John, will be doing all of Colin's sound effects. And you, Barbara, will be doing all of Drew's sound effects. So for example, if he was to open a really squeaky door, it might sound like this. And hold the microphone real close to your mouth. Just like that. And John, let's practice with Colin. If Colin were going to hammer a nail into a board with a hammer, it would sound like this. Yes. Good luck to you, Colin. All right. Can I have an occupation that after a full day's work you'd really want to take a shower? And not like a zookeeper. Zookeeper was the first thing I heard. So based on zookeeper.
You okay? You seem a little down.
Well, you know, I'm cleaning up
Yeah.
here at the zoo.
Well, I'm just about to water the elephant. He finds it so relaxing. Oh, I'm standing on the hose. Oh, hey, can you cover me? I'm going to go into the lion's cage. He has a bad tooth. I'm going to remove it.
Let me grab this chair and
You want to sit down?
No, I'm grabbing the chair and the whip, and I'll be right behind you.
All right.
Just in case anything happens.
I'll just unlock the cage. Hey, why don't you go?
Well, hold my whip and chair. I'm going to open the lion cage.
All right.
Nice lion. It's the door's a little rusty. Hope it doesn't wake him up.
Also, this cage is haunted. Told you. If you leave him alone, they just go away.
I hope the lion doesn't get mad when I touch him. No, guess not.
All right, you better remove his tooth. Remove.
No, nothing. He must be... I think the lion's dead.
Don't kick him. Don't. Great. Now, you're going to have to remove it while he's awake. All right, gently.
Oh.
Okay. He fell asleep.
Okay,
Boy,
good.
it's your lucky day.
Good. I'm going to take out the pliers.
All right.
Spike. I got him at a toy store.
All right. Hey, hey.
What?
The teeth's at the other end.
Oh! Real quick, ready?
All right, get out.
I wonder how the elephant's doing. Hi, elephant.
You know what?
Thank you very much.
The elephant just did Elvis impression.
Really?
Yeah. Thank you very much. Look, watch, listen.
Thank you very much.
The elephant also does an impression of Nixon.
Oh, really?
Yeah. President Nixon.
Oh, I thought you meant Cynthia.